Okay, crucial piece of information. Control L is very powerful. Basically, in Blender, if you want to copy the materials from one character to another, or copy animation from one character to another, or things like that, all you have to do is select the character that doesn't have what you want on it, and then shift select the character that does have what you want on it. And then all you have to do is Control L and then select materials if materials are what you want to transfer. For example, the back one of these characters, this one didn't have materials. I shift selected the front one and then I did Control L. And then I just hit materials and it applied the materials to the back one. This saves so much time.